Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 11:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, November 6, 2021. This is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe, click the bell, be notified of these videos when they come out. As well as thumbs up and share the video. We are here to talk about the first ever video I ever covered, Nucypher, as well as Keep Network. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. And it feels like coming home when I come back to the Nucypher US dollar pair. Although home at a higher level. We're way over what it was when I started covering Nucypher. Right now, it's looking like a line of support around 88 cents up to 99 cents on the $99 range on the resistance line. This is actually doing really well given what has been going on this morning in the altcoin market. A little bit of fear and a little bit of instability with Bitcoin. We'll go into that in 1 second. Right now, Nucypher's been kind of horizontally consolidating for a very long period of time now. October 27th to now puts us at at least a couple of weeks, 2.5 weeks, whereas this past consolidation period only took about 10 days or so. So we'll see. As we continue to consolidate, there might be a good entry point here. I think as long as this thing continues to consolidate, this is healthy for Nucypher. Things don't go up in a straight line. Everyone should understand that. In the meantime, Nucypher Bitcoin, on the other hand, showing some signs of life. We could, if we get over this line here at 1500, we were pretty close to it. We could be in for some resistance at the 1550 range, right around here. I haven't drawn it, but I'm just kind of moving my mouse left and right so you can see it. But right now, 1503 is a good spot to be in terms of showing a reversal relative to the strength of Bitcoin. In fact, if you look over here to the right top portion of your screen where I have my mouse, you'll see Bitcoin dominance went up 0.26%, whereas Nucypher Bitcoin didn't go down, which is pretty good. I mean, generally speaking, it should go down 0.26. So it's actually handling itself better than most altcoins in the market right now. So this is a good sign for Nucypher. In the meantime, Bitcoin US dollar is actually doing pretty well. Keep to US dollar is doing pretty well. We are over this line of support at 69 cents. We're still kind of like on the bottom end of the range, so nothing's really changed, other than kind of like we've been going down. But I feel like we have a reasonable area of support at 69 cents. We're at 70 and change right now. Also, Keep Bitcoin pair, neutral to up. So these two pairs being around cryptography, Web 3.0 in general, as I've seen and as we're starting to hear more about on, in these news articles around Web 3.0 is starting to grow. I think we're going to start to see some nice investment capital, fresh capital coming into Web 3.0 technologies. It's just my own view. Keep Bitcoin right now still actually doing very well as well, keeping well within the pattern of 1225 on resistance and 1046 on support. We will probably continue the sideways action. Right now, there's a little bit going on in Bitcoin. Let's get into that right now. Bitcoin has definitely seen a little bit of topsy-turviness over here. We hit a low of almost 60,000. We were 60,100, but we do have a line of support. I just drew this earlier. This line of support is around 60,000, and it could be the line of support. If we break 60,000, folks, well, depending on how fast and how hard, it looks like we could be in for a potential drop to 54,000. That is only if we break the 60,000, and we have to break it pretty hard. It can't be a little less than a one-day wonder like this guy right here. It will have to break a lot stronger and a lot longer than that. However, Bitcoin dominance also continuing on its downward trajectory, which is generally pretty good. We are up a little bit on Bitcoin dominance, but to be clear, we spiked up to 43 and change and pulled back. Not that bad on the Bitcoin dominance pair. But I have noticed, again, Web 3.0 in general, the Web 3.0 to Bitcoin pairs have all done very well relative to Bitcoin dominance's uptick. They've all kind of stood their ground. But in the meantime, Nucypher, my first love, is doing pretty good here at 91 and change. We'll catch up soon. Bye.